welcome you all of you in today's class. See, yesterday I sent a PDF question answer about this lesson. Which lesson? Who did Patrick's homework? Okay. So simultaneously we did solve the exercise B. Understood? Exercise B is a page number 15, and see the page number 15. He can answer. That is also I sent a PDF. Okay, so this PDF you have to solve in your notebook. Okay, so today we will see the exercise C, because already yesterday we have solved the page number 15 B and page number 16 A and B. Okay, understood? So we will start from a sound and spelling. See, here sound and spellings, what they have given us, it's a sound, means when you word speak with the correct pronunciation, you have to say clearly. Like this, देखो, sound and spellings. Okay, read aloud the following words. These words are given us. We have to, when we speak, when we utter मतलब हमको उच्चारण करना है, we have to loudly. Okay. Read aloud the following words. Listen for the vowel sound in each syllabus by emphasis on the correct pronunciation. Understood? So we will read the one by one. Okay. First क्या दिया है पे? Greensed. Grimaced. Greensed. You have to pronounce each. वहाँ पे देखो स्लैश दिया है, वहाँ पे you have just pronounced greensed. Understood? Second है scrolled. SCOWLED. Scrolled. Okay. First क्या है? PURSUED. Pursed. Okay. Then CURD. Curd. Like this you have to pronounce. See, when you read this spellings and when you utter, when you pronounce, you have to, when you read the words, you have to loudly. Okay, जब भी आप ये word pronounce करेंगे with the spelling, आप उसको सही ढंग से pronounce करना है और you have to the loud one, मतलब आपको अच्छे से बोलना है, मतलब जोर से. Okay, उसके बाद SHRIED strict है ना. Then SQUEAD squeed, हमने कल देखा था, इससे चिल्लाना. HISTOR history. Okay. MYSTER it's a mystery. Okay. Then BLEAR blurry. Okay. Then DICTIONAR it's a dictionary. Okay, it's a dictionary. Understood? Shri ऐसे आपको बोलना है. Understood? समझ में आ गया? See, after me you have to spell out with the correct spelling. You have to louder. Okay, at least 3-4 times you have to read it very loudly. Okay, so then let's learn grammar. Read the following lines from the lesson. ये जो lines दिए हैं, these lines are given from the lessons. Okay. Too boring, Patrick said his teacher said. Too boring. Patrick क्या बोलता है? बहुत ही ज़्यादा बोर है. His teacher said, Patrick, do your homework and you won't learn a thing. Did you notice how the words spoken by the people were put in the questions marks? देखो इस जो भी उन्होंने सेंटेंस दिया है वहां पे क्या बोला है? You have to put the question mark. See, if one sentence is a question marks found like this, where do you go? It's a question mark. Did you go? आप जा रहे हो क्या? Will I go? मैं जाऊँ क्या? है ना? It's a. So where do you live? What is your name? It's a question mark. If we are not put the question mark in the end of the sentence, we can't know about the it is a question mark, it is a sentence or question marks. Okay, सो वहां पे दिया है, see there is a comma after said is said a Patrick said the first word after question marks begin a capital letter। वहां पे वो दिया है कि जो भी सेंटेंस दिया है there is a required for the comma, there is a required for the full stop, there is a required of the question mark। if the sentence जैसे my name is श्रेया, सिंपल, where do you live, अगर ये सेंटेंस है where do you live, तो live के बाजू में if there is not putting the question mark we have to, when we will see the answer we have to put a question marks। अगर वहां पे apostrophe लग रहा है तो we have to put after complete the sentence we have to put the full stop in the sentence where needed it's a comma we have to do that। समझ में, एक सेंटेंस में जहां पे रिक्वायर्ड है, जहां पे जरूरत है, हमको क्वेश्चन मार्क्स लगाना है, कॉमा देना है और फुल स्टॉप देना है, यही यहाँ पे बताया। जैसे देखो फॉर एग्जांपल दिया वहां पे ही सेड, कॉमा दिया है, उसके बाद आई एम टायर्ड, मैं बहुत ही ज्यादा टायर्ड हूं, वहां पे क्या दिया है वो क्यूटेशन, अच्छा क्यूटेशन दिया है। Then Patrick said के बाद comma it is boring apostrophe, then I said where are you going, where are you going के बाद question marks दिया था। These question marks full stop are written before closing the question marks। शायद ये हमने ग्रामर पोर्शन में भी लिया था, है ना। See punctuate the following function, है ना, यहाँ पे same on the basis of question marks, comma and full stop, जिस प्रकार से वहाँ पे example दिया है on the basis we have to solve the A, okay, and there is given a 5 questions, okay। The boy cried loudly help me, oh help me please। ये sentence दिया है, ये sentence क्या है, there is a given a sentence very simple, when we will write the answer we have to change, what we will change in the comma, if there is a needed comma, if there is needed a full stop, if there is a needed a question mark we have to do it, understood, okay। So ये जो पार्ट दिए we have to solve, okay, just wait। See I am just reading the sentence and in the blackboard I am just giving a answer, okay। first क्या दिया है, the boy cried loudly help me, oh help me please। एक जो लड़का है वो क्या कर रहा है, बहुत जोर जोर से रो रहा है और क्या बोल रहा है, मेरी मदद करो मेरी मदद करो। तो क्या लिखेंगे फर्स्ट आंसर, सी there is a the boy is a short form, okay। so when we will write the answer you have to, the first letter should be in a capital letter, so the means T is a capital letter, the boy cried means रो रहा है, the boy, you have to just concentrate, okay। the boy cried loudly, L-O-U, देखो where I change when I write the answers, okay। आपको देखो कि मैं कहाँ चेंज कर रही हूँ, when see there is a the boy I have to change in a T, first letter should be in a capital letter, the boy cried loudly, the boy loudly, then comma, you have to put in a comma, then apostrophe लगाना है हमको, ओके। apostrophe means quotation है ना, quotation marks लगाना है, उसके बाद जो H है वो कैपिटल लेटर में लिखना है, बिकॉज आफ्टर कॉमा वी हैव टू पुट इन अ कैपिटल लेटर। उसके बाद क्या है, हेल्प मी, एक सेकंड, यस हेल्प मी, क्या लगाना है वहां पे, उसके बाद एक्सक्लेमेटरी साइन, देन ओ के बाद कॉमा, फिर हेल्प मी के बाद फिर से कॉमा, उसके बाद है प्लीज, P-L-E-A-S-E, प्लीज और क्वेश्चन मार्क और क्वेश्चन मार्क, understood। please you have to write the answers, see where I see in the sentence where the needed sign I have to just change. First letter should be in a capital letter, then comma लगाया है, the boy cried loudly के बाद comma लगाया है, then mutation help me के बाद फिर o के बाद comma है, okay, फिर इसके बाद please के बाद, understood. Second है when did you leave school Rajan asked the principal. राजन प्रिंसिपल सर है वो राजन को पूछ रहे हैं कि कब आप स्कूल छोड़ोगे. So when क्या है, it's a first letter should be in a capital letter W. When did you leave? When did you leave? L-E-A-V-E. When did you leave school? When did you leave school? अब देखो वहाँ पे राजन asked the principal. सिंपल लिखना कि when did you leave the school के बाद common question mark. Then सर राजन, सर लिखना है और सिंपल लिखना है राजन. ओके, बस हो गया. उसके बाद है थर्ड, तीसरे ने क्या दिया है वहां पे, गो टू द लाइब्रेरी आई नीड बुक सेड द टीचर. टीचर्स ने स्टूडेंट्स को बोला है कि जाओ, कहां पे जाना है आपको, कि लाइब्रेरी जाओ, मुझे कुछ पुस्तकों की जरूरत है. उसके बाद go, obviously go, G should be in a capital letter. Go, ट्यूशन लगाना है आपको. Go to the library, to the library. Library के बाद है comma, I should be in a capital letter. Okay, I need books, मुझे बुक्स की क्या है, जरूरत है. नीड बुक्स, बुक्स के बाद है कॉमा, कॉमा के बाद है सेड द टीचर, मतलब टीचर्स ने बोला है, सेड द टीचर. टीचर के बाद यू हैव टू पुट इन अ फुल स्टॉप. अंडरस्टूड. देन फोर्थ वन, विल यू हेल्प मी इन अ, विल यू हेल्प मी इन अ प्लांटिंग द सीड सेड द लिटिल रेड हेन. रेड हेन मीन्स क्या होता है, जो हम बोलती है कोमड़ी, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, फेन है ना. सी वहां पे क्या है, विल यू हेल्प मी इन प्लांटिंग द सीड्स. आप मुझे सीड्स मतलब जो बिया है वो प्लांट करने में हेल्प करोगे क्या, विल. ऑब्वियसली ना, क्वेश्चन विल, W शुड बी इन अ कैपिटल लेटर. विल यू हेल्प मी, will you help me in a planting, in, yes, in planting, planting, in a planting के बाद planting the seeds, it's a question mark, क्योंकि वो हमको क्या पूछ रही, तुम मेरी मदद करोगे क्या. He is asking, that's why it's a question mark. ये लगाना है हमको. Said the little hen, said the little hen. Understood? चलो आप लिख लो, फिर मैं फर्स्ट वाला इरेज करती हूँ. एक सेकंड, यहीं पे लिख लेते हैं हम लोग. Fifth one. Okay. Understood? Please do correct where the needed the comma, question marks, exclamatory sign. Okay. Okay. The fifth one. It is so cold, I am shivering. Said the little poor boy. छोटा जो बच्चा है वो क्या कर रहा है? वो shivering मतलब ठंडी की वजह से just he is shivering his body. तो देखो it is, तो obviously it जो कैपिटल लेटर है you put the notation. Okay, it is so cold, it is so cold, it is so cold के बाद क्या है, you have to do put in a comma I, इसके बाद जो first letter है should be in a capital letter. I am shivering, complete the quotation. Okay, the said the little poor boy. Said the little poor boy. Okay, come on, I will give you 5-7 minutes. You have to write it down the answer, and please you just concentrate in a blackboard where I changed in the sentences. Okay, while I am writing the answers. Okay, come on, hurry up. Once again, I am reading. See, the boy cried loudly, help me, oh help me please. Okay, वहाँ पे क्या change किया है? The boy, T should be in a capital letter. After loudly, we have to comma. We have given a comma. Help me के बाद exclamatory sign. O के बाद again comma. Help me. Then please के बाद again exclamatory sign. Then when did you leave the school? When के यहाँ पे क्या दिया हमने? comma दिया है. W ने capital letter. Sir Rajan. Then go to the library. Go के पहले हमने quotation दिया है. Library के बाद we put in a comma. I should be in a capital letter. Need books के बाद comma दिया है. Then said a teacher. Then fourth है quotation दिया है. W should be in a capital letter. Will you help me in planting the seeds? Because it is asking the question. Someone who asks कि आप मेरी मदद करोगे क्या? That's why we put in a question marks. Okay. So will you help me in planting the seeds? Seeds के बाद we put in a question mark. Say the little hen के बाद we should put a full stop. Okay. So see here we have completed. We have solved the exercise A. Punctuate the following sentence. हमको वहाँ पे punctuate करना था. Okay. So we will see tomorrow the B page number 17. Till then you have to correct in your textbook. Okay students, so we will meet tomorrow. Till then take care, bye, and please keep studying. Okay, see you.